winner of Mr. Hero's Crown of Praise is King of the Crave! Hail Roman Burger! Long live Roman Burger!
Some cars live in the driveway. Some cars live in the garage. But every car in Northeast
Don't tell me
Ohio
KDKA is going to
has a
test
second
after
home.
19.
Conrad's, for everything your car needs. And right now at Conrad's, get up to $200 back on a set of 4 select Goodyear tires when you use your Goodyear credit card. Conrad's. Nobody makes it easier to make your car last longer. Now that's the Conrad's difference.
Do you suffer from lower back pain? With us to talk about it is Dr. Rob Berkowitz from the Center for Orthopedics.
Low back pain is one of the most common conditions
Oh my god.
worldwide. This pain can start for no apparent
Savage
reason
Gamer
or be the
2413
result
told
of
me
some
that
sort of
KDKA
traumatic
usually
event.
tests
The
between
natural history of
9:05 and
low back pain is
9:10.
for it to resolve on
Between
its own
9:05 and
within
9:10.
days to weeks without any form of treatment. In those cases, there is no reason
The
for
current
person to
time
worry,
is
and you should
9:10.
not expect
Well,
any
I probably
residual
shouldn't say
effects
this
from
yet,
the painful
so.
episode. There are a small subset of patients who will have persistent pain severe enough that will require medical attention. The most common treatments for low back pain include physical therapy, chiropractic, and anti-inflammatory medications. Surgery is rarely required to treat low back pain. However, if it is determined that you do need surgery to treat your low back pain, you should seek the consultation of an orthopedic spine surgeon. There are a variety of minimally invasive surgical techniques that may be helpful to people with severe, unrelenting back pain.
Thank you, Dr. Berkowitz from the Center for Orthopedics. Call them today, 440-329-2800. Convenient locations in Lorain County and Western Cuyahoga County. The Center for Orthopedics.
The following is a test of the
Finally.
system.
Still hate that new voice, by the way.
Testing its emergency alert system equipment.
Whoa!
EAS will provide timely emergency warning.
KDKA kind of failed over here.
Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Every year we say we'll wake up.
And so, on this edition of KDKA's test, I am joined by the following. Oh, God. What, Antonio? First video features on my channel that I'm actually gonna upload. Then I guess we move over to you. Who are you? What? Why? Why do you do this every single time? Anyway. Mine's almost like at least 1 minute long. Like, anyway, you are savage? Okay, I'm trying to make something up without dropping something. Mommy Savage 2469. That's who your name is. Now he's my mommy Antonio. Anyway. I don't even know what I just did there, but okay. Before I decide off, I just want to say that Antonio went to the hippopotamus world and ordered a hippopotamus and brought it over to his house. I mean, what? Oh. Did he get dry? What? I'm gonna, if this does have some language, I'm gonna have to figure out how to censor this out. Cause I'm kind of still new to iMovie over here, so yeah. Let me just see what Savage got in his chat stroke. When I upload this, y'all might want to go to 243. Including you, Mr. Sir Master Buttonio. Anyway. And this is Bobby Savage 2434666. Anyway, I'm signing off. Peace.